Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell mobile phones at a high price. First, deeply understand your customers' desires. Focus on showcasing the unique features and benefits that truly set your device apart, rather than just listing specifications. Emphasize the long-term value, superior performance, and exclusive experience that comes with a premium mobile, making the higher investment feel completely justified and worthwhile for them. Building trust is paramount when selling high-priced items. Offer comprehensive, hands-on product demonstrations, allowing customers to truly experience the device's quality. Provide detailed specifications and performance benchmarks, perhaps showing a 20% faster processing speed or a 30% longer battery life. Share compelling customer testimonials and expert reviews to reinforce the product's value and reliability, giving buyers confidence in their significant purchase. To make a high-priced mobile even more appealing, craft an irresistible offer. Consider bundling the device with premium accessories like high-quality headphones or a protective case, or exclusive services such as a 2-year extended warranty. Offer flexible financing options, perhaps with 0% interest for 12 months, or attractive trade-in programs for older devices. Exceptional post-purchase support ensures customer satisfaction and reinforces the value of their investment. Mastering the sales process is crucial. Ensure your sales staff are not just knowledgeable, but true product experts who can articulate value clearly and confidently. Train them to address customer objections head-on, providing thoughtful solutions and reinforcing benefits. Implement a robust follow-up system, perhaps a call within 48 hours, to nurture leads and gently guide potential buyers towards making that high-value purchase, ensuring no opportunity is missed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.